It's levels to the shit, gotta be a true bitch. Get straight to the money, yeah, I do this shit. Ain't nobody show me, I got straight to it. Won't play with me, but you can play with your bitch. Sit back and be one, that's another hit list. Don't trust nobody, that's why I gotta stick. Niggas wanna beef with you, then they wanna be your friend. Tell me how that makes sense, man, that sound like pretend. Can't get too close, that's part of many man. Taking chance after chance, then you end up in the gym. Don't push me to the limit, I'll put you in the blend. Hold my head high, never have my face down again. They only hate cause they see that you tryna win. Can't be a hypocrite and then tryna say I sin. I remember days I was down bad in the pen. Can't tell me shit about the struggle shit, that was then. Get a baggers, will be no fuck tryna spin. What we get, where we going, then we going all in. T baby be the game, won't tell you again. Keep shitting on the train, that's just what we in.